Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change the background color on an Instagram story on, well, Instagram. Currently I am on my profile page here, and to get to a story from my profile, I'm going to hit the plus button up at the top, and then I'm going to click on story. Then we'll go ahead and select camera, and here you'll go ahead and you will take a picture of whatever you want. Then takes you to this screen where you can add text, different things like that. I'm going to hit these three dots up at the top and click on draw. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see the different colors you can choose from, but a cool little feature is if you click and hold on one, it takes you to a screen like this where you can get different shades of the colors. So we'll go ahead and we'll go with like a blue. So I have that color selected, and then I'm going to press and hold on the screen, and that color changes there. From here, we'll hit done at the top, and then you can proceed to add the text, whatever you want, to your story. You can add the stickers still. It just gives you that unique customization where you can change the color to whatever you want to fit the aesthetic of whatever story you are posting. So that is a very quick tutorial on how you can change the background color on Instagram. Do you do this for your stories? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.